What if an AI could read your entire codebase, understand what you were building, and make changes directly from your terminal? Not just suggest code, but actually edit your files, run commands, and commit to Git. That tool exists. It is called Claude Code by Anthropic, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up and use it on a real project. So what exactly is Claude Code? It is a command line interface tool. You install it, open your terminal, navigate to any project, and type Claude. It reads your entire code base. Every file, every folder, then you just talk to it. Fix this bug, add this feature, explain how this function works. And the key thing, it does not just tell you what to do. It actually edits the files in your project and shows you exactly what it changed before you approve. Before we install, let us make sure you have what you need. Open your terminal and check your Node.js version. You need version 18 or higher. If you do not have it, head to nodejs.org and grab the latest. You also need an Anthropic account. Sign up at Claude.ai. Claude Code works with Claude Pro at $20 a month or with API credits if you prefer pay as you go. Now let us install it. One single command, npm install -g at anthropic-i/claude-code. The -g flag means it gets installed globally so you can run it from anywhere on your machine. Takes about 10 seconds. You should see a success message. If you get a permission error on a Mac, just add sudo in front. Now navigate to your project. I will use a web app as an example. cd into the folder, then type Claude and press enter. The first time you run it, a browser window will pop up asking you to sign in with your Anthropic account. Log in, authorize it, and Claude Code connects automatically. Then it starts scanning your project. It reads every single file, maps out your directory structure, and after a few seconds you see a prompt. You are ready to go. Let me show you a real example. Say your users are reporting that the login form rejects email addresses ending in .co.uk. Instead of manually digging through your code, just describe the problem to Claude. It immediately starts searching your codebase. It finds the login form component, reads the validation file, and identifies the exact issue. The email regex is set to only allow exactly 2 character domain extensions, which means .com works fine, but .co.uk gets rejected. Now here is the part I love. Claude Code does not just silently change your files, it shows you a diff first. This is a comparison of the old code and the new code. See the red line? That is what gets removed. The green line is what gets added. In this case, it changed curly brace to curly brace to curly brace to curly brace to comma, curly brace. That tiny comma means the regex now accepts 2 or more characters instead of exactly 2, which fixes the bug. You type Y to accept or N to reject. You type Y to accept or N to reject. You are always in control. Claude Code is not just for bug fixes. You can use it to build entire features. Watch this. I will ask it to add a dark mode toggle to the settings page. It plans the changes, then creates a new toggle component, writes the CSS, updates the settings page to include the toggle, and modifies the theme context to support dark mode. 4 files created or updated all at once. No copying code from a chat window, no pasting into the wrong file. It just works. Let me quickly show you the official documentation. This is at docs.anthropic.com/Claude Code. Everything is here. Installation guide, command reference, configuration options, best practices. I would bookmark this page. There are a few commands you need to know. Let me show you. /compact compresses your conversation history so you do not run out of context during long coding sessions. /clear resets the conversation if you want to start fresh on a new task. /model switches between Sonnet, which is the fast model, and Opus, which is the smarter one. Use Sonnet for quick tasks and Opus when you need more reasoning power. And the @ symbol followed by a file name focuses Claude on that specific file. 3 tips that will save you a lot of trouble. Number 1, always use Git. Before you start a Claude Code session, make sure your project has Git initialized and your changes are committed. That way, if Claude makes a change you do not like, just type git checkout ... and everything goes back to how it was. Number 2, start small. Do not ask it to refactor your entire app on day 1. Start with something simple, a typo fix, a comment, a small function. Build trust with the tool first. Number 3, and this is the most important one, be specific. Do not say make this better. Say add input validation to the email field that shows a red error message below the input when the format is invalid. The difference in output quality is night and day. That is Claude Code. Install it with one npm command, launch it by typing Claude. Point it at your project and start building faster. The documentation link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe and I will see you in the next one.